Hi. Sometimes you've got a list in Excel that has some blanks and you'd like to fill in something in all of the blanks. And maybe it's a zero or maybe it's some text or something like that. Now you can do it one at a time. I can take a list like I've got here, click the first one, and then holding Control, I can click in other spots that I would like to populate with something. So that's one way to select them. But I've got another way to select, especially if you have a big list. And I'll get to the filling in part here. So select all the cells that contain the blanks that you want to do this with. And then in your editing group on the Home tab, get into Find and Select and go to Special. In the Go To Special, the thing I'm looking for is blanks. What this will do is look at your list and clicking OK, it will highlight all of the blanks within that selected range. Now, if I wanted to, it's got an active cell, that's why that one is white and these others are gray. I can type something, and as I typed it, it would only fill in that one place. But if I wanted to type something and have it apply to all of them, Control Enter. So let's start with the 0 and see what that does. 0, Control Enter. It put a dash, dash, dash. Let's undo. Let's try N/A. Control Enter. It pops that in all of the blanks at once. So use the Find Go To Special and then Control Enter to enter something in all of those blanks. Good luck.